9 News Plus weather sponsored by Carrier Colorado. The future of home comfort is here.
Happy Thursday or happy Friday Eve. 9 News meteorologist Lauren Robinson here with your virtual forecast. And if you haven't already had a chance to get out and enjoy the day, you want to do so quickly because change is moving in. We're going to see those temperatures drop, gusty winds, scattered thunder showers, and even some overnight snow. So a lot of change will be pushing its way into the front range. So take advantage of the nice sunny skies and mild temperatures we have out there right now. We have a live look right now over outside of the 9 News building here, and you can see those flags already starting to whip away. So already windy, and that's going to be the first sign of the approaching cold front that's going to bring in those major changes later today and into early tomorrow. Right now at DIA, we're at 66 degrees. We have winds coming in from the west-northwest at around 10 miles per hour. A good mix of sun and clouds, still dry there, but most of the front range and eastern plains in the middle to upper 60s, low 70s even further northeast and to the south in Pueblo. The high country seeing those 40s and 50s, pretty warm for the high country, and then middle 60s out west as well. But take a look at this 24-hour temperature change map, specifically across the front range and eastern plains, where a lot of us are seeing warmer weather than what we saw yesterday. 16 degrees warmer in Denver, 26 degrees warmer in Lyman, 23 degrees warmer in Pueblo and Lamar. Springfield seeing a 27-degree warm up and almost 30 degrees warmer down in Trinidad. So we had that warm weather push in early this afternoon, but those temperatures will drop behind that cold front that's going to be coming in. We'll see those winds pick up as well. Right now, most of the state seeing those winds gusting between 20 to 30 miles per hour, but Lyman, very windy, 44 mile per hour wind gust there, 37 mile per hour wind gusts in Akron. And the northeastern corner of the state, the northern plains, with these winds picking up, you want to watch for that blowing dust as we go through the rest of the afternoon. We don't have any blowing dust alerts in effect, but those may become a thing as we go through the rest of the afternoon. Just keep an eye out for that if you do have to travel along those highways there. As you take a look at stronger winds across other portions of the state, we do have a wind advisory in effect across the northwestern corner of Colorado, where we're going to watch for these winds to gust up to 50 miles per hour. That's expected to last through midnight. Taking a look at our HD Doppler radar, Denver is still mostly clear, but we do have a system north of us making its way further south across Montana and Wyoming. That's eventually going to make its way into Colorado. We're already seeing some very spotty rain showers across the northeastern corner of Colorado. That whole system is going to continue to drop its way southward. That's where we're going to see those scattered rain showers, isolated storms, and then some overnight snow. As far as those storms are concerned, northern portions of the front range and eastern plains are under a marginal risk for severe weather. So that means any storms that pop up are likely to be stronger. We're going to watch for locally heavy downpours, strong winds, lightning, and thunder through the rest of the afternoon. We can also see that on our futurecast. We go through the rest of the afternoon into this evening. The system drops down from the north, bringing lots of rain showers and isolated storms across the front range and eastern plains. Where you're seeing those yellows, even oranges, that's where we're going to watch for some storms to pop up. Off to the west, we're going to see that system drop a lot of snow into the high country, even portions of the foothills and Palmer Divide between Denver and Colorado Springs. We're going to see a good amount of snow there as well. Then it really ramps up as it makes its way further south late tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Take a look near the Trinidad area there. Early Friday afternoon, this all starts to clear out. We eventually get some late day sunshine. Those temperatures, though, staying pretty chilly. We'll see those highs maxing out in the middle 50s tomorrow. But as far as the snowfall is concerned, you can see foothills, high country, Palmer Divide, southern portions of the front range, all of these areas under winter weather advisories from tonight until Friday morning, where most of the area could see maybe 2 to 6 inches, maybe some isolated 8-inch totals, but you do want to watch for those snow showers and gusty winds. We're going to see those strong winds across the entire state. To the northeast and to the northwest, a little bit drier, but where we have these winter weather advisories, that's going to create that blowing snow and hazardous travel, especially during the times where the snow is expected to fall. That's going to be late tonight through early tomorrow. A lot of this is going to be after sunset, so you do want to watch for hazardous travel conditions, especially if you'll be traveling south along I-25 later tonight. Taking a closer look into our snow forecast here for the Front Range, we're not really looking at much, if any, accumulation in Denver and northern portions of the Front Range. Maybe a quick dusting, but the higher totals will remain west and south in the foothills, the high country, and the Palmer Divide area. In the meantime, while we're waiting on that change, we're going to see some warmer temperatures, upper 60s and low 70s across most of the eastern half of the state, 50s in the high country, upper 60s out west. Tonight, those temperatures in the lower to middle 30s across the Front Range and eastern plains, 20s and 30s in the high country, upper 30s out west. And then take a look at our highs for tomorrow. We will see those early morning lingering snow showers. Then that clears out pretty quickly, but that cooler air will settle across the state. So we're going to see those highs about 10 degrees below our seasonal average for this time of year, in the middle 50s in Denver. Same goes for the rest of the Front Range and eastern plains. Those highs dropping into the 30s, 40s, 50s in the high country, and middle 60s out west. So we will see some change later today and into tomorrow. Then we start to rebound into the weekend as you see those temperatures get back into the upper 60s and low 70s, and then we'll watch for another chance for a system to bring some scattered showers and thunder showers next Tuesday and Wednesday. So in the meantime, as you're making those plans for the rest of the afternoon, don't let the temperatures and the sunshine from earlier today fool you into thinking that it's going to be nice the rest of the day, because we will see that cold front push in. We're already seeing those wind speeds pick up. We're going to watch for scattered showers, isolated storms. Any storms across northern portions of the Front Range and eastern plains likely to be stronger. That's that marginal risk of severe weather. And then we're going to watch for snow off to the west and south. So we're going to watch for winter weather advisory areas to be in the foothills, the high country, Palmer Divide, and far southern portions of the Front Range as that system moves its way southward late tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow we wake up to some light lingering snow showers. All of the cloud cover moves out right behind that. We will get some late day sunshine. Those temperatures will stay cooler, maxing out in the middle 50s. So if you have afternoon plans for Friday, we will eventually see some sunshine, but you'll maybe want to pack that light jacket because those temperatures will stay pretty chilly until we go into Saturday, Sunday, and early next week. So hopefully that is helpful for planning for the rest of the week and into the weekend. And you'll always want to stay up to date with your latest weather forecast, because as we know, weather here changes rapidly. So later today, we will have Chief Meteorologist Kathy Sabin in for 4 and 5 o'clock. And then 6, 9, and 10, we'll have meteorologist Danielle Grant in. And you can always stay up to date with your latest forecast on 9news.com and on our 9 News mobile app. Have a good day.